Welcome to Owen Allen Media. So Vybz Kartel just dropped a new song titled So God Bless, right? You know, Vybz Kartel dropped a song last time, Ever Bless, and that was a hit. And Vybz Kartel also preview a new song titled Trophy that he did for Sidem. You brighten my life like the summertime, brighten my life like the winter time. You see me? Okay.
You will see, are you alone? You alone. Turn me in a one burner. Me give up on some girl boy, yeah. We don't even have to talk about that. Cause you have me like a controller. Bumper big, still not impress me. Inside and out, you're still sexy. My ex could never step in on your shoes, Louis leather. It's giving forever.
So definitely looking out for that song because it sounds good. And so we're going to check out this new Vybz Kartel song titled So God Bless. So, you know, so it about. So that song is a song that Vybz Kartel has been previewing for a while. Ignite my life, dynamite. You see me? And I one of them Vybz Kartel song the way, you know, him might tell the ladies them for come out. He might tell the ladies them for enjoy themselves and not care about a way. Not care about what the next girl want to say, you know what I mean? Because them look so good, you know, females like to criticize other females because them say the confidence with them have, them say oh them pretty and them feel insecure within themselves and them not have that confidence, them not have that courage, you know what I mean, for do the things where them say that female, you know, is doing. So that are for them type of that are for the females them who like to enjoy themselves and, you know, portray themselves a certain type of way, and for the females them who just like to hate on another female. You see me? So yeah. Dynamite. Take you shopping, I'ma hit you with the bag. Winters in Dubai, carnival in Trinidad. I'ma meet your mom, I'ma meet your dad. Introduce me to your dog and your little brother Brad. Yo, Kartel no easy in there, dog. So yo, introduce me to your mom, introduce me to your dad. So after I take you to Trinidad to Carnival, you know what I mean, and take you to Dubai to, the Dubai expensive, you know. So me taking you to Dubai, you know what I mean, to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on you, cause in Dubai, that's how money is done. You have to spend thousands of dollars. You see me? So me take you to Dubai, that is going to the extent. Me take you to Trinidad, you know, the Caribbean vibe, everything, carnival, you know, enjoy yourself. But then you have to return the favor and take me to your mom, take me to your dad, because we're taking it to that level. You get me? And introduce me to your dog, because you know, have no kids yet, you know what I mean? So your dog, you're a dog mom, and that's your kid. And introduce me to your little brother Brad. John, no. Yeah. Not my talk when you so God bless. Dynamite. Jesus. Yo, one thing I go and always give Vybz Kartel props for. The girls them way him continue to put in these music video. And it come like every time Vybz Kartel do a music video, I'm here. I'm gonna be honest. Right? Every time Vybz Kartel do a music video, I will always talk about the ladies, the selection of ladies that they selected to be a part of the King of Dancehall music video. I'm gonna be honest. They're always clean, sexy, everything. You see me? So big up for TG and everybody who select these girls to be a part of these videos, because them up and them always up. You see me? And Vybz Kartel say, yo, you have a money everything, but I ain't an idea. Him him not tie you down or hold you down, make you like say you're in a prison. You know what I mean? You can go out, you can enjoy yourself. As a matter of fact, I will accompany you. You see me? Yeah, man. So you can't tell the right there, sir? Red carpet, the Grammys and the mobile. You see me? Because you know Vybz Kartel was at the Grammys, and who him walk at the Grammys with? None other than Sidem. You see me? Who know Sidem, and the mobiles who Vybz Kartel was at the mobiles with on stage. Sidem who do not see them. You see me? And big up Sidem. Real girl. I love Sidem energy. Everything. Big up Sidem all the time. You see me? You're so God bless. When the music video start, I believe me never get to see who shoot the music video, but I'm just gonna do a real quick guess. Rupi, aka Rupi, yeah. I must Rupi shoot a music video because the music video clean. As I said, the girls them clean, and the girls them when them selected in this videos are usually clean. You see the lead girl is the girl with the to the left, you know what I mean, in our tall up boat, black mini skirt, black sweater, white tank top looking thing, and her ski mask. She up there. Ignite my life, dynamite. Whoa, oh, love it when you see me? Love it when you up, ignite your life, dynamite, yeah. Like them I say, fully a Gaza them say. The music video good. You know what I mean? I like the music video, clean. The song are just one of them calm song there. But for me personally, the song where me I look out for, and the song where me hope to see, the song and the music video that I hope to see is Vybz Kartel Wolf featuring Aishana. You see me? That one where they did the thing on Kaisina Live, Wolf, you know what I mean? Yes. And another one, Trophy, because Vybz Kartel hashtag Trophy on that preview. Trophy with Sidem playing football and everything. He did that song for Sidem, and I believe that song is already my favorite because it's a song which sound really and truly good. You see me? Yes, me definitely looking out for that one. And big up to Sidem. I never know say Sidem can juggle. You know say Sidem a juggle ball. Yes. You see Sidem a juggle ball in a Vybz in our mansion. So big up Sidem man every time. And I know I've been away for a little bit, but we just deal with some little things, and you know what I mean, we're back now, I do the thing, you see me? So look out for more videos consistently and all of these things, and keep on supporting Owen Allen Media, you see me? That is it, I'm out. We got Vybz Kartel.